Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to do a Laura's Quick Tips and show you how to ink up a Spectrum pad. So here is Stampin' Up's uninked Spectrum pad. You'll notice that it comes completely white and clean, and it'll never look like this again, but it's nice and perfectly clean. It's also dry. It's just got the little like foam pieces there, and this, it's already pulled apart, and then of course you can smush it together for that nice even full ink pad look. But you'll pull it apart whenever you're storing it so that your colors don't bleed together. So for this one, I am actually doing Real Red, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Mango Melody, and Pineapple Punch for sort of a red, orangey yellow. I think it'll be perfect for butterflies, sunsets, and different things like that. So I'm just going to take each of the re-inkers in each of those colors. I'm going to start with Real Red, and I'm just going to squeeze and ink up the little rectangle. And you really want to add quite a bit of ink because this is a completely uninked ink pad. So you want to make sure that there's plenty of ink on there. You'll also see that it goes down like the sides too. So you can see it go down the edges there. And so you just want to add a generous amount of ink all over that. And of course you can always re-ink it again later if you think that it didn't have enough. And just go through till each of your colors are fully inked. So that's how you will ink it up. I won't go ahead and ink up all of those. I'm going to bring in one that I've already done and show you. This one here I did in Colors of the Rainbow, and I did this little label on the front by simply taking a file folder label. So this is a sheet of file folder labels, and I took the label, trimmed it close to the edge, so the next label is like right here, and then I just pressed it into my ink onto each one there. Oop, and I kind of touched it. And then flipped it over and stuck it to the front here with each of the colors. The one thing I will say is these colors are actually opposite of what it really is. So, because, you know, I flipped it over. So even though this says grape, blueberry, granny apple green, daffodil delight, and real red, it actually goes this direction. So it's grape, blueberry, granny apple green, daffodil delight, and real red. So my colors go in opposite directions, but that's okay. It still gives me the same idea of what colors are in this pad. And then this one says Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Pool Party, Coastal Cabana, and Bermuda Bay. And I love, love, love this one because I'm loving purple, and I've always loved Pool Party, Coastal Cabana, and Bermuda Bay. I just love that blue color and everything. So this one I love. It is super fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and finish this one, and I can't wait to start playing with it. I'll be posting pictures using these on my blog, laurastamppad.com. Let me know what color combination you would use for your Spectrum pad in the comments below, because I have a few more uninked pads and I just can't decide what to use. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.